everyone. Today, we embark on a crucial journey for our financial well-being, understanding how to effectively manage our incomes, expenses, savings, and investments to build a solid foundation and thrive in our lives. Imagine your income as the lifeblood of your financial journey, a steady stream of resources flowing into your financial landscape. These incomes can come from various sources: salaries, wages, business profits, rental income, dividends from investments, or even royalties. Understanding these sources and their fluctuations is akin to mastering the currents and winds that guide your financial voyage. For many of us, our income represents not just a means of survival, but a pathway to security and growth. It's the result of our efforts, skills, and sometimes investments in education or entrepreneurship. From that first paycheck to the dividends of sound investments, each income stream is a testament to our ability to create and manage wealth. On the flip side, expenses represent the outflows of money, what we spend to meet our needs and desires. They range from essential costs like housing, utilities, groceries, and healthcare to discretionary spending on entertainment, dining out, and luxury items. Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial here, as it forms the basis of budgeting and financial planning. Think of expenses as the inevitable waves in our financial ocean. Some are predictable and essential, like the tide, while others, like discretionary spending, are influenced by our choices and lifestyle. Learning to navigate these waters with prudence and foresight ensures that we can steer clear of financial storms and make progress towards our goals. Now, let's talk about savings, a cornerstone of financial stability and resilience. Savings are not just about setting aside money for a rainy day. They're about building a fortress against life's uncertainties and seizing opportunities as they arise. Whether it's an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, a savings account for short-term goals like travel or home renovations, or long-term investments in retirement funds or education plans, savings provide us with a safety net and a springboard for future growth. Consider savings as the foundation of a sturdy ship. Just as a well-built vessel can weather storms and navigate rough seas, a robust savings strategy allows us to withstand financial setbacks and pursue our dreams with confidence. It's about preparing for the unexpected while positioning ourselves to capitalize on favorable conditions. Investing, on the other hand, is about putting our money to work for us. It involves allocating funds into assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or businesses with the expectation of generating returns over time. Investing isn't just about growing wealth. It's about creating passive income streams, preserving purchasing power against inflation, and achieving long-term financial goals like retirement or funding a child's education. Think of investing as planting seeds in a fertile garden. With careful cultivation and patience, these seeds grow into thriving plants that yield fruits for years to come. Similarly, prudent investments, diversified across various asset classes and aligned with our risk tolerance and financial goals, can provide us with financial security and opportunities for wealth accumulation. To illustrate these concepts, let's consider the stories of Maria and Pedro. Maria diligently allocates her income towards essential expenses, savings, and a diversified investment portfolio. Over time, her disciplined approach has enabled her to build a substantial emergency fund, achieve financial milestones like homeownership, and secure her future through retirement planning. In contrast, Pedro, despite earning a similar income, lacks a structured financial plan. His failure to save and invest leaves him vulnerable to financial emergencies and limits his ability to capitalize on growth opportunities. Understanding these fundamental principles empowers us to make informed financial decisions and navigate the complexities of our financial landscape with confidence. It's about equipping ourselves with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve financial independence, manage risks effectively, and pursue our aspirations without undue financial stress. In our next class, we'll delve into practical strategies for creating and maintaining a budget, a fundamental tool for aligning our incomes and expenses and achieving financial stability. Remember, every step towards financial literacy and empowerment brings us closer to realizing our dreams and building a brighter future. As homework for this week, I encourage you to conduct a detailed assessment of your incomes, expenses, savings, and potential investment opportunities. Reflect on how you can optimize your financial resources, set realistic goals, and prioritize actions that will propel you towards greater financial well-being. Your journey towards financial freedom begins with understanding these foundational principles and taking proactive steps to shape your financial future.